Hello, everyone, and thank you for, I see there's already a hand up in the beginning itself. Okay. Okay, I've got the technicalities underway. So yeah, thank you for joining us in today's webinar session, Designing Interactive Cell and Molecular Biology Courses Using JoVE Videos. My name is Mayuri, and I am a curriculum specialist at JoVE. Today, I'm accompanied by my colleague Lakshmi, who is a subject matter expert at JoVE. Both of our roles and a little bit more about what the both of us do here will be discussed in the upcoming slides. So today's session will focus on an overview of the JoVE's cell and molecular biology resources. They can be accessed from the online platform. This will be followed by a discussion on how to map your modules using JoVE content under JoVE playlists and syllabus mapping service. I will also discuss how to embed JoVE videos into Canvas as well as Brightspace. The session will conclude with a Q&A, so please feel free to type in your questions in the chat box below. And I will take a look at it at the end of the presentation, or my colleague Lakshmi can always handle them during the presentation. Yeah. So let's start with the word itself. JoVE is an acronym for Journal of Visualized Experiments, a journal focused on visualizing experiments through videos. It goes beyond traditional scientific protocol by providing videos that allows viewers to watch and replicate experiments. Over time, JoVE has become a leading scientific video creator, offering a wide range of content for teaching, learning, and practicing science. The idea behind JoVE is simple. It is visualizing concepts through high-impact animations to enhance understanding compared to reading alone. Scientific studies have shown that watching videos helps incorporate the message more effectively. While the text article provides the essential details, a video is necessary for replicating the protocol. I've looked at this slide a million times and my eye is always caught by the video on the right. Again, the protocol is super important to have for the level of detail that we want to achieve. But if we want to replicate what's in there, we need a video to explain us how to take the next step. So of the different subject areas covered under JoVE education, today we are focusing only on the cell and molecular biology education resources. To access all of relevant content, in cell and molecular biology, you can go to the education dropdown on the JoVE website, and all of the resources related to cell and molecular biology can be found under education under the biology section. Once you click on biology, you will see the different education contents available. I have added a screenshot of how that would look like on the screen here. I will start with the JoVE core contents, which are indicated by the arrows. I'm going to be discussing the two fields or the two fundamental resources that we have on JoVE, that's molecular biology and cell biology. Once you click on the core series of interest, you will see that the videos under core are organized into chapters, sort of like a textbook. Each chapter contains a number of videos. All videos within the core series are short animated clips where fundamental topics are covered. This is ideal for students at the foundational level or undergraduate year 1 level. Another resource is the science education series, and I've again indicated using arrows the two where those two can be found, the basic biology and the advanced biology series. Basic biology series contains a variety of collections which cover from your lab sessions, general lab techniques to lab safety, as well as models, species such as fruit fly, C. elegans, and such. Now, all of the content covered under JoVE Core or JoVE Education under Basic Biology, as well as our other collection, that's Advanced Biology. All of the content will be discussed in detail by my colleague here, Lakshmi, who is a subject matter expert. So at this stage, I will hand over the presentation to Lakshmi, and she will go into the depth of each collection and how they can support your teaching requirements. So over to you, Lakshmi. I will just take you to the next slide. Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome, everyone. Good afternoon to everyone. So, I'm Dr. Lakshmi Srihasam, and I'm a subject matter expert with the customer success team of JoVE. So, I have over 10 years of academic research and teaching experience. So today after that wonderful tour that Mayuri gave, I would like to give you in-depth details about what our core cell biology content and core molecular biology videos are. So the keyword here is core. So all these lessons are short and each lesson tackles one core concept at a time. So we have in the core molecular biology collection, we have 20 chapters, which has 298 lessons inside them. And these are all available in 12 plus different languages along with subtitles. And the average length of each video is around 90 seconds. Along with these videos, we also have what is called as the scientist in action videos. So these videos are are research videos where the concept that is taught in that particular lesson or chapter are discussed or utilized there. That is about our core molecular biology collection. Coming to our core cell biology collection, this is our more recent collection it was released last year in 2 units. It had 43 chapters. It's a very big collection of 43 chapters, and it has 561 lessons inside that. Again, this is also available in multiple languages. This is also in the same format as our molecular biology core collection. That is, each video takes one concept at a time and it would be 90 seconds. This is being designed so that the concept is understood by the student using the animation and also the clear-cut uh, clear-cut animation and also the clear-cut transcript that is available there. So along with that, here also we have around 120 plus scientists in action videos, which are all research articles where these concepts have been applied. So, and our collection would be most suited for first and second year biology students or pre-medical students or health science students who all have cell biology, molecular biology in their curriculum, or any master students or research enthusiasts who want to brush up their basics. Next. So let us go to the core molecular biology collection. The 20 lessons that we have, just for the ease of our understanding, I have divided into 6 units. So the first one is the biochemistry of macromolecules. So the chapters 1 to 5 discuss about the biochemistry of the macromolecules. Here we have, it focuses on the concepts of the related to biochemistry, the structure of the macromolecules, DNA and proteins. The next is the central dogma and repair and recombination. Here, the chapter 6 to 11 are discussing this. So please note that next to each of these topic, I have put some number in the parenthesis. That is the number of lessons that are described, that are used or that are present in our website discussing that particular concept. So here in the central dogma, repair and recombination, we go through the various important concepts of DNA replication, repair, recombination, transcription, translation, gene expression, all this using clear, crisp animation videos that help in the student to visualize these concepts better. Next, we have the Mendelian genetics and gene evolution, where lessons about Mendelian genetics, classical Mendelian genetics are dealt, and also about genome, the evolution, the phylogenetics are described in this particular unit. Next, we have the concepts of the cell signaling pathway. This is described in chapter number 14 in detail. So as we all know, cell signaling is one of the concept in cell and molecular biology that requires lot of visualization when we are reading. You have one protein that is going and binding to another protein, activating a downstream protein. So all these, if we have our lessons have beautiful animations that have been made referring to standard textbooks for their scientific accuracy, and that will help our students to help your students to better understand these concepts. Next, we have molecular biology techniques. So here we have the classical techniques of studying and manipulating DNA, RNA using electrophoresis, PCR, and other modern concepts like SNPs, CRISPR, and gene therapy are all described here. Concepts behind the experiments that are involved in these techniques are clearly explained in these lessons. And finally, we have the chapters 17 to 20 discussing about cell cycle proliferation, cell division, and cancer. Here we have chapters that discuss in great detail about the cell cycle, the initiation of the cell cycle, various steps inside the cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis, and also all the basics about cancer biology we have here. Our next collection is the core cell biology collection. Here, the core cell biology collection is again, as we have discussed, it is a larger collection, and here also I have divided it into 6 units. So the chapters, first one is the essential components of functions of cell. Here, chapters 1 to 11, Mayuri? Chapters 1 to 11, they discuss about the cell's genome evolution, the biochemistry of the cell, energy and metabolism, the protein structure, function, everything is discussed in this. So this also, this particular um, uh, mm, unit, I would say, is not only useful for cell biology or molecular biology students, but also for students of biochemistry, because all about very interesting videos about cellular basics of the cellular metabolism are given in this unit. Next, we have the membrane transport and protein sorting. Chapters 12 to 18 discuss on this. So membrane biology is again one of the complex concepts of cell biology that requires a lot of visualization for the students when they are reading it. So here our animations, we have animations that describe the membrane structure, function, the electrical properties, intracellular transport, the protein sorting that is happening between various organelles, and so endocytosis and exocytosis. All these are described in great detail in this particular unit. Next, we have the cell energetics, where mitochondria and the energy production in mitochondria, the cellular respiration, the photosynthetic pathways happening in the chloroplasts are discussed. Next, we have the chapters 12 to 18 discussing about cell signaling and cellular architecture. Here we have principles of the cell signaling and also lessons on the cytoskeleton, the various components and the functions of the cytoskeleton, intermediary filaments, cell-cell interaction, cell polarization, cell migration, and the processes that are involved in that, and the extracellular matrix components. All these complex concepts are described using simple and easy to understand videos. Next, we have the important cell biology techniques that are routinely used in any cell biology lab, like animal tissue culture, cell separation from a tissue, and also cell visualization using various microscopes are all discussed in this particular unit. So finally, the chapters 34 to 43, they discuss about cell proliferation, cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. We have a chapter on cell death, where different types of cell deaths like apoptosis, necrosis, and the apoptotic pathways are all discussed here. And we have a chapter on stem cell biology that discusses about the basics of stem cell, the regeneration and repair that is happening inside the stem cells. So overall, our molecular and core molecular and cell biology collection is not just a group of random videos that are kept together. These are carefully curated and videos that make your cell biology and molecular biology teaching more interesting, more dynamic and engaging with your students. Next, we also have the science, what is called as the science education videos, which Mayuri had earlier told. So these are all the practical aspects of these core concepts. Here, these videos are longer in length, and they have a clear timestamps that help in selective navigation between them. Here we have, these are the basic biology, where basic general laboratory techniques and basic methods in cell and molecular biology are there. And we have advanced biology, which has these various techniques, important techniques under these various biology courses, biology subjects here, like neuroscience, developmental biology, genetics, cell biology are all included here. Next, we have, so how to use how would be the best, you can access all these videos directly from our website or use under these chapters and lessons, or we have ready to use playlists that are present in our website. So these ready to use playlists are actually carefully curated list of videos under various subjects that are covering the comprehensively almost all the topics, that important topics in molecular biology or cell biology. And next we have the what is called as the book mapping. So these book mappings we have in almost all the subjects like chemistry and also biology and other subjects also. And in cell and molecular biology, we have 8 standard textbooks that are that are mapped. So what is like we have the Alberts, Karp, Lodish, Plopper, Cell Biology by Alberts, Primrose, Brown, and Watson. All these textbooks are mapped. So what do I mean by mapped? When you click on any textbook, so once you click on it, you will see that they are all arranged like chapters in that particular textbook. And if you click on any chapter, you will find a list of videos that are separated under, that are present under various titles. So all these are exactly the same way that are present in the textbook. They correlate in the same aspect. They appear in the same manner as in the textbook, and they cover the concepts that are under each subheading inside the textbook. So this is like a very valuable resource, supplementary resource for the student when they are studying the textbook in your curriculum. So now how to use our playlists or our videos in your course, that I will give to Mayuri. She will explain like how our resources can be best used for your courses. So, thank you, and over to you, Mayuri.
Yeah, thank you for that detailed explanation, Lakshmi. All right then. I'll just move on to the next slide. So if you cannot find suitable playlists under the Faculty Resource Center, we also have the syllabus mapping support. All you need to do is send me your syllabus or your topics of interest, maybe even topics of research, and I can put together a playlist along with the help of a subject matter expert, and align your topics with all of the relevant content available on the JoVE website. This is a free support provided by JoVE as part of school subscription. So please feel free to send as many syllabi or keywords as you would like. Yeah, and just request a syllabus mapped playlist. I will now ask Lakshmi to share my email ID in the chat box below so that you can just drop me an email should you have any such request for me. Now, one of the key features available on the website is the ability to create and find playlists. Playlist is an easy way to bring together a selection of JoVE videos to support specific instruction, laboratory or research needs. It makes it much easier to find videos suited to your courses. And also it makes it easier to share it with your students. To create your own playlist, you can follow the steps along with me if you'd like. You can also open the JoVE website in your respective browsers. You can just type in www.jove.com and and log into JoVE if you already have an account. So to create your own playlist, you will have to go on to the drop down that appears right next to your name and click on My Playlist. Any playlist created by you will appear in this section. To create a new playlist, you can click on Create New Playlist. You will first add a title to the playlist, and you can also add further details, including the purpose of the playlist as an option, and then click on Add Video. Here, you can search for videos by entering keywords in the search bar. You also have the option to search from education contents or research contents only. Once you select, you just please select the videos you would like to add to the playlist. Once you have added the videos, you can also add videos under specific labels. Like it appears on the screen here. And just click on Save once you're happy with the videos and the labels added. All the saved playlists under My Playlist can be edited at any time. So to share JoVE resources with your students, I would now like to demonstrate to you the best ways to share content with your students. To even begin with, I will just, the first step would be to sign in to your JoVE account, like I mentioned earlier. So please make sure that you already have a JoVE account set up, using your institutional email address. This will allow you to access the contents that your university has subscribed to and also embed it seamlessly into your LMS, like Canvas or Brightspace. If you don't already have a personal JoVE account, you can easily set one up from the link shared in the chat box. I will now ask Lakshmi to share that link in the chat box as well. All right. So I will walk you through the steps together. And again, you can follow the steps along with me by just going on to the JoVE website with me. Step 1 would be to click on the sign in option at the top right corner of the JoVE website. Sign in using your institutional email ID if you already have an account. If you don't already have an account, you can just click on create an account and add your institutional email address. A link to verify should appear in your inbox within a few seconds, really. Once you click on the link, you will have to just confirm your email address and add a bit more information, including your first name, last name, a password for your specific JoVE account. Please select the professor or instructor role under the select a role option. If you're following the steps along with me at this stage, I will just wait for a couple more seconds for you to follow the steps. Yeah. Okay. Once you click on create an account, your JoVE account will now be created and your name will appear on the top right corner of the homepage. All right, now that your JoVE account is created, I will now walk you through embedding JoVE videos of interest into Canvas. Sharing a JoVE video on Canvas allows students to watch the videos without having to create a JoVE account or going into the JoVE website at all. Videos can be embedded individually or as a whole playlist. Now we will start off by learning how to embed a single video. And again, you can follow the steps along with me. Just make sure that your Canvas platform is open in the background. And if you haven't already picked a video, you can always select one from the website on the go. All right, so steps to embed a single video from the JoVE website into Canvas. Step 1 will always be log into JoVE using your institution email address so that the website can recognize the university access. Step 2 would be to select the video that you would like to embed. Step 3 would be to click on the embed video button as highlighted here on the screen. This embed video button will appear under every video on the platform, so it should be fairly easy to find. Once you click on the embed video button, this will take you to a landing page that looks like so. Please click on the copy embed code button. This will copy the embed code needed. So once you click on the copy embed code button, you can then go on to your Canvas course pages and select your module of interest. On the startup page, on the startup dashboard, in the adjacent column to the left, you can select pages and then click on Add Page on the right-hand side. All right. Once you click on Add Page, you will have to add a title for this page, and then click on the icon that says Embed. And it has also been highlighted on the screen here for your reference. Once you click on Embed, all you have to do next is paste your copied embed code, the code that you copied from the JoVE website earlier, and just click Save. Once you do that, your video will now appear in the central box, and it will also appear in your course website. All right. I will also walk you through embedding a single video over on Brightspace. Again, videos as a single video or as a whole playlist can be embedded into Brightspace as well. The first few steps remain the same. Step 1, log into JoVE. Step 2, select the video of interest. And step 3 would be to click on the embed video button. Step 4 is also the same. That's to copy the embed code for the video. Step 5 would be to go onto your Brightspace platform and select New Unit and create a new unit. The buttons have both been highlighted on the screen for your reference. Once you click on New Unit, you will click on the icon that says HTML document. And it's also been highlighted on the screen here. Once you click on that, just simply paste the code that you copied earlier from the JoVE website, and your video should now be embedded into Brightspace. To discuss embedding an entire playlist, I can always go through that with you over a one-on-one call. It's fairly easy and just takes a couple of minutes. To integrate the LTI feature into your school's LMS, you can connect us with your LMS administrator, who will be able to discuss this further. And to implement this feature into your LMS, there is no additional cost involved in setting it up or even using it. I will now share the email address in which your school's LMS administrator can get in touch with us. All right. So the email address has been mentioned over here on the page. Yeah. We also have the JoVE quiz feature, which can embed JoVE quizzes into your LMS. If you go to the education dropdown and click on JoVE quiz, you will be able to access the create quiz feature. Now, quizzes are a great way to ensure that the students have developed an understanding of the topics covered by the videos, and also to keep them motivated. There are a set of pre-made questions with multiple answer options that you can use as it is or edit it as you wish to suit your teaching requirements. The pre-made questions are associated with the video, so you can just simply click on create new quizzes at the top. Once you click on that button, you will have the option to add a video of interest from the list of videos. And the video of interest will get embedded along with 5 pre-made questions. Again, they can be edited as much as you like. All the quizzes created can also be embedded into your LMS, into Canvas or Brightspace using a SCORM file. Now, how to upload a SCORM file into Canvas and Brightspace can be reviewed in a short video, which is the link for which is shared in the chat box. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. I'm happy to take any questions from the audience. And for further questions or inquiries or requests for playlists, you can also contact me on my email, which is present on the screen here and also shared in the chat box by my colleague, Lakshmi. So now I will just open this presentation up for any questions. I'm in the Q&A box and I don't see any questions right here. And I'll just wait for a couple more minutes should there be anyone typing a question. All right. Seeing as we don't have any questions, thank you for taking time out for this session. And I hope to see you in the future sessions that JoVE arranges. I wish you all a great day ahead. Yeah. Bye-bye.